Hi, my name is Lee Glover, and I'm Assistant Landscape Coordinator with Covington Nursery and Landscape in Rowlett, Texas. One of our most frequently asked questions at the nursery is, how often and how much water do I give my plant? So today, I'm going to show you. Come on, let's grow together. How do I know my tree even needs more water? It will tell you. If the leaves are turning brown and dropping, and it's not even fall, then this tree is in need of water. But the best way to check is to actually check the soil. If I dig down here about 4 to 6 inches and the soil is not forming a ball and it crumbles in my hands like this tree is in real need of water. So let's go get a water hose and take care of this. For newly planted trees, it's really important that they be watered consistently and by hand. Even if you have a sprinkler system, that's just not going to be enough for a new plant. But the thing you're asking is, well, then how often? Well, during the months, it depends on the time of year, but during January, February, March, November, December, water once a week. During the months what I call AMO, which is April, May, and October, water twice a week. The most important part, though, is going to be what I call J-Jazz. That's June, July, August, and September. And the tree should be watered every other day, if not every day on those hot Texas days. So let's get some water on. How much water is just as important as how often to water. But how do I know how much water to give the tree? That is all determined by the size of the tree. So as a general rule of thumb, take the gallon size of the container the tree came in and divide by 4. So for example, this is a 30-gallon tree. It's going to need about 7 to 8 gallons of water. So as you can see, I'm just moving the water hose around. It's really, really important that the entire root ball is saturated. And once you see it begins to start pooling like it is now, this is a well-watered tree. This has been Lee Glover with Covington Nursery and Landscape in Rowlett, Texas. Join us next time for great gardening tips, and let's grow together.